In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit existing website on GoDaddy, full 2026 guide. Whether you're updating text, swapping images, or reorganizing pages, I'll walk you through the exact path inside GoDaddy's websites plus marketing so you can confidently make changes and publish them live. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and head to your dashboard. If you manage multiple sites or products, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Using two-step verification is a smart extra layer of security whenever you're making site changes. Next, click your profile icon in the upper right. This opens the account menu with quick links to everything you own. From here, you'll be able to jump straight into the area that lists all of your active products. Choose My Products. This view shows your domains, email, hosting, and your websites plus marketing sites in one place. It's helpful to scan this list and confirm which site you're about to edit, especially if you manage more than one. Find the Websites Plus Marketing section. This is GoDaddy's site builder, and it's where your existing website lives. If you see multiple sites here, look for the one with the title or domain you recognize. Click Manage on the site you want to update. This opens your site's control panel and gives you access to the editor, settings, and publishing tools. Give it a second to load. Larger sites can take a moment. Now click Edit Website. This launches the visual editor where you can make changes in place. Most edits are point and click. Select a section, type to update text, or use the image picker to replace photos. Keep an eye on the mobile preview. Many visitors view your site on phones, so spacing and font sizes matter. Inside the editor, you can modify existing sections, update content, add new sections, and manage your pages. Use the Add section option to drop in galleries, contact forms, buttons, or testimonials without custom code. To manage pages, open the site navigation panel to rename pages, change their order, or adjust visibility. Small improvements like clear headings, descriptive button labels, and compressed images go a long way for speed and accessibility. As you edit, save frequently and keep your brand style consistent across sections for a polished look. When you're happy with your changes, click Publish to push everything live. Publishing only affects the site you're editing, and you can update again anytime. After publishing, visit your site in a fresh browser tab and on mobile to confirm everything looks right. If you don't see updates immediately, refresh the page or clear your cache. That's it. You've logged in, opened the editor, made targeted updates, and published them to the world. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.